In this video, I'm going to show how to loop a sound. So we'll grab a sound, build menu, then we'll go to get a script. And I think that's all we need. So let's go into the script box. Oh, we get to turn it. Just call it script. So when we're already started, we want to play sound. So let's go down here and play sound. And we're going to play on self. Then we want to send an event. With delay. And we'll just call the event repeat. That's fine. And then we want to have the event received. So when it is received, it's going to do the repeat. And play the same sound. And we'll bring this down here so that it repeats. So this plays the sound. This is the first event. This picks up the event and then repeats the sound. So I think that's all we need. Let's go to our sound and assign the script. And it repeats. You're going to change the delay time. Change that to 0.5. It goes faster. You can do that for whatever sound, and then it'll just cycle through. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.